Hi there guys and girls, good day. Yes, as you can see, Brittany Cheryl, my ever-loving wagon, will finally replace her windshield because it's cracked and damaged. I'm here in Taytay, Rizal. So, for you to know guys and girls, for how much this would be, it costs 7,000. Oh, sorry. Ano hindi, para sa ano ko lang to. Sa ano ko lang, sarili ko lang. Ganun. Sige, hold on guys. So, I supposed to have my, what's this? I supposed to have my ABM transmission fluid to be replaced a while ago. I decided last night, but Sir Rodel, one of the mechanics of Suzuki, told me that he will be the one to make it because it's some kind of a more cheaper. That's why. So we're gonna meet this coming Sunday on his place, on his friend's place. And it's more expensive compared yesterday on the shop wherein I fixed my ball joint and tire. However now,